In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can download Instagram Reels. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to go ahead and do is open up your Instagram app, and then once you've done that, you will want to come over to the Reels section of Instagram. And then once you come over to Instagram Reels, what you need to do is click on the three dots in the bottom right corner of the page. And then what that will do is it will bring this up here, and you need to select on copy link. And then once you've copied the link, what you need to do is go back from Instagram and then come over to the browser of your choice. And then what you need to do is search for savefromnet and go ahead and click on the top search result on Google. So if I click on savefromnet, what you can do is paste the URL into the bar here, and it will go ahead and start processing the download link. So just going to go ahead and wait a couple of seconds until it is completed. And then as you can see, you can now go ahead and download the video from Instagram Reels. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.